Hey guys, Austin Nelson here. Wanted to do a quick video regarding kind of a couple of things um, surrounding the dollar, Bitcoin, gold, and just the market overall. Some of you know me, know that I'm a stock options trader. Also get involved with Bitcoin, kind of been high on that for a little while. Um, and everything that's going on with the world. Some crazy stuff's happening right now. So just wanted to go over that and how you can capitalize and how you can make some money going into 2017. So right now you can see this is the dollar index. I think we're right around 101 is really extremely high for the dollar. I believe it was low as 90 something this last year, so it's made quite a big jump. I think we're around 14-year highs. So the dollar is doing really well. I know we have a new president, Donald Trump, coming into office, and that has partly a lot to do with it as well. But I wanted to go to that. I don't believe this will stay like this forever. I believe it'll go back below the 100 mark, and probably drop a little more than that. Just, but based upon what it is right now, we usually see an impact in the markets, and we have equities have gone up along with the dollar as usual, and as we can see, gold usually has the reverse impact, and we'll go right over to gold real quick. Gold, as you can see, this is over the last month. Um, it's hit a high over 1320, and these last week or two right here really plunged around the 12. We're like 12.12 right now, 12.13, right in that area. So gold, usually the opposite of the dollar, makes sense. Um, but also with one of the things I've been really high on, I like gold, and I think it's a good hedge against the dollar, which has proven over time. One of the things I'm really high on right now that I think is really blowing up and just continue to blow up. I left if you were on my email list, I put a buy trigger around the high 500s, and we are now at Bitcoin. It is around $750. So if you made a purchase of Bitcoin when I made the recommendation, you made a couple $100 per Bitcoin you bought. So I know some people took advantage of that. Others are still, I think it's still a great buying opportunity. But as we can see, even with the high dollar right now, usually Bitcoin would kind of be the opposite of what the dollar does, but with how popular and how much Bitcoin is exploding right now and how much it's expanding, you continue to see an increase from month to month and really week to week. We got some fluctuation here, but it stayed pretty steady, and we started at 710, and we're still around 750 even on a week frame. In a month, we started around 650 and we're around the 750 range. So you can see over week to week and month to month, and especially the year, we said a huge increase around over in the 300s over to 700s. We can see Bitcoin steadily increasing. And just with a high dollar index, you would expect the opposite. And so that tells you how strong, let's say, the dollar does, in fact, go back to where I believe it will in the near future. I believe Bitcoin will even explode more. I can see in the beginning of 2017 it reaching the four-figure mark of over 1,000 with relative ease, I believe. Obviously, there's no guarantee. A lot of things could happen, but the way things are moving and the way the digital currency and cryptocurrency and everything's exploding, I can really see that happening in the very near future. Um, there are other cryptocurrencies, but by far Bitcoin is the biggest. I think a number of merchants are starting to use it, like Home Depot, and there's a whole list of them. I think gas stations is one of them too. Um, So one of the programs I'm using is called My Paying Crypto Ads. It's actually it's a marketing program where you purchase advertising, And when you purchase advertising and you're using Bitcoin in the program, you get a 20% return on your Bitcoin purchase of the advertising package. So that advertising package usually takes about 60 days to mature. It's around 2% a day. So around 60 days you get your around 50 you get your money back, and then around 60 is when you get in profit. Everything's not guaranteed. As you can see, it's a brand new program. We have over 21,000 members and over 90 million page views this last week. So the site is blowing up. But if you want to join that or have any questions about that, just I'll put a link below, and you can leave a comment or whatever you want to do. But just keep your eyes open to how the market reacts the next couple months, next couple weeks. The Dow closed above 1600 today, so it's really everything's really booming right now. So look to see how you can capitalize that going into 2017, whether you're in the Forex, whether you're trading Bitcoin, messing around with the stock market and equities and all that stuff. There's a lot of ways to make money. Just make sure you have all your information up to date. All right, have a blessed